Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to walk through everything you need to know about how to open a day trading account. All right, whether you are brand new to trading or just looking to set up a dedicated account for day trading, this guide will help you understand the exact steps involved. So let us start with the basics. A day trading account is a type of brokerage account that is designed for traders who open and close positions within the same day. All right. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to choose a broker. Okay. Not all brokers are the same, and it is important to select one that offers reliable platforms, fast executions, and the tools that you will need for active trading. Okay, so you take your time to research, you compare features, and read reviews before making your choice. All right, now the next thing is, you know, we have to talk about the application process. Okay, you have to first of all select a good broker. All right, do your research and select a broker of your choice. Best brokers for day trading. See what this gives us. All right, well, let us just gonna be using this as an example. All right, but of course you have to do your research and select the broker of your choice. So you choose your broker. It's important to select the one that offers reliable platforms, fast executions, and the tools that you will need for active trading. You take your time to research, compare features, and all of that. All right. Once you've chosen your broker, you fill out an application to open your trading account. You sign up with the broker, depending on the sign up options, right? This particular broker, now you can see that you can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Facebook or Apple, or you can even just, use your email, just write in your email there and sign up, right? Now, after successfully opening the account, so once you've opened the account, you complete all the verification processes and whatever documents that are required of you to supply. You supply the necessary documents, and yeah, just in few simple steps, you're good to go. All right, you must not necessarily use the deriv broker. Okay, this particular broker, you can use any other broker of your choice. Just do your due diligence, make your research, ensure that the broker is a legitimate broker. Okay, and ensure that it is a broker that is being regulated and all of that. And then, yeah, you sign up and do the needful. All right, remember that the verification step is mandatory and typically involves uploading valid government issued ID such as a passport or driver's license, along with proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement. But if it happens that maybe your broker does not request for that immediately, they might give some reasons for that, if at all. Maybe the broker considers that not necessary immediately. There will likely be a reason for that, right? But whatever the case may be, just settle your mind for that. Okay, now, concerning the funding methods, it depends on the ones available on the platform, right? Depends on the funding method available on the platform. So you just use whatever option that you prefer. All right, choose whatever option that you prefer. You also choose the type of account you want to open. Most brokers offers maybe a few different types of accounts that might have, specific features, right? For example, you can see this there is now, okay, there is even options, there is CFDs, then there is you can see different MT5 accounts. There's the standard accounts where you can trade CFDs on derived and financial instruments. There is the one that for trading gold and popular precious metals. There is the one for zero spreads. It has its features. There's the one that there is no swap. So brokers might have different types of accounts. Just choose the one that you prefer. Look at the features, and then you select it. You open your account. You fund your account using whatever method, such as bank transfer or card payment option. So you can add funds when you are ready. Now, a very important part of opening a day trading account is understanding regulations, right? Day trading is often subject to rules such as minimum balance requirements, trading limits, and in some regions, pattern day trading rules. Be sure to check what applies in your country and with your broker so you don't run into any unexpected restrictions later. Once your account is open and verified, you'll have access to your broker's trading platform. Before jumping straight into the market, it's always a good idea to test the platform using a demo or practice account if your broker offers one. This allows you to get comfortable with the tools, charts, and other placements without risking real money. And that is the full process of how to open a day trading account. You choose your broker carefully, complete the application, verify your identity, understand the regulations, and then practice using the platform before trading live. Okay, it's very important that you always practice on a demo account first. In fact, even if you are swapping brokers, right? If you are trading live with a broker before and you changed to a new broker, well, I think it's also a good idea if you test out the demo account with that broker first before going live. In case of if there is anything you will notice, right? With respect to the trading, right? So demo accounts are not there for fancy, okay? Take advantage of demo accounts, test out the market environment, test out whatever it is you need to test on a demo account first before you involve real money, okay? So if you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you will never miss more trading tips, strategies, and walkthroughs just like this one. All right? So now you know exactly how to open a day trading account step by step. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.